Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm excited to walk you through a really useful Power by skill, creating a line chart with multiple lines using a dimension or a measure. If you've ever wanted to see how different categories, like products or regions, compare over time, this is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to set up your visual, but you'll also understand why it's such a powerful way to analyze your data. Let's get started. First things first, open up your Power by report. Look for the Visualizations pane and from there, click on the Line Chart Visual. This is the icon that looks like a little squiggly line. That single click sets the stage for everything we're about to do, so take a moment to make sure you've got it selected. The line chart is perfect when you want to track changes over time or see trends develop across several categories. Next, we need to tell Power by what kind of story we're trying to tell with our data. Find your date field in the fields list and drag it to the x-axis slot on your chart. Think of the x-axis as your timeline. This is where you'll see things play out month by month or year by year. You're building the backbone of the chart, so the dates are crucial. It helps visualize how sales evolve rather than just getting one static snapshot. Now let's bring in the numbers. Locate your sales measure and drag that onto the y-axis. This step is what puts the sales figures onto your chart, plotted against time. It might sound straightforward, but it's important. Without the y-axis, you just have lines floating in space. Tying sales to your timeline means you can spot ups and downs, peaks and valleys, and identify seasons or points where things change. Here, where we make the magic happen and create those separate lines. Drag your product dimension into the legend field. If you haven't tried this before, the legend essentially slices your sales data. You'll get a line for each product, like phones, laptops, and tablets. Immediately, your chart springs to life as you see those distinct colored lines appear. This is brilliant for comparison. Instead of just knowing your total sales, now you'll see exactly how each product performs over time, side by side. Take a look at what's happening on your chart now. You'll spot 3 lines, one for phones, another for laptops, and a third for tablets. The phones line is showing a gradual increase, starting around 200 and climbing to 300. This could be a result of a new product release or a successful marketing push. The laptops line is steadily growing from 300 up to 330, showing consistent but less dramatic change, almost like a marathon runner pacing themselves. Tablets start lower at 150 and work their way up to 250, growing slower but still moving upward. If your chart doesn't instantly show all 3 lines, don't worry. It might just take a few moments for Power by to refresh, especially with larger datasets. If you only see one line, double-check that you've dragged the product field to the legend. Sometimes you might even need to click on the chart and expand the legend area to see every product clearly. Remember, the beauty of this setup is that you can instantly compare performances, not just in total but across different periods. You might notice, for example, that phones are surging in the holiday season or tablets are picking up in summer. It's all right there in the visual. And that's it, you've just created a dynamic multi-line chart in Power by showing how your product sales trend over time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have questions or want to see more Power by tricks. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy data storytelling.